Hey y'all, this is Bitty Boo, aka Dana. This channel is not suggested for anybody under 13 years of age. You need to be 13 or older. So, with that being said, all affiliate links that are listed in my description boxes or Amazon links are my affiliate link. If you click on that link, I may get a commission. It does not cost extra, so if you choose to click on the link, just be aware I may get a commission. I don't know if it uses any tracking cookies or not. I don't know how Amazon runs as far as all that goes, but it seems like everything anymore has them. So with that being said, I had a company reach out to me by the name of Vanina. They sent me a product that they wanted me to test and see what I thought about it. The product comes with its own charging USB, and it's a little tactical flashlight. It weighs 12 ounces. It's about 5 inches long. Anyway, it has a 18650 oh my gosh, where it don't overcharge, y'all. And it runs the chips, the LED chip in here. Says it lasts more than 80,000 hours. Not sure how many hours it will run off of one charge. I haven't got that far yet. So it has your high, your low, your strobe, and your SOS. It has an 18-month warranty, and I think that's about it. Now when you do go to charge it, you're going to remove the bottom down here. You're just going to simply unscrew it. There's going to be a little piece of felt here or here. You're going to take that piece of felt off. You're going to screw your bottom back on. It takes about 4 hours to charge. And don't do like I did, y'all. Don't do like I did. I accidentally pulled this completely out. Well, you go figure. But anyway, right there is where you charge it. When it is charging, it will have a red light flashing. When it is done charging, the red light, which will show up right here, will turn green. Okay? It has your, where you can zoom it in and out. I'm going to show you how bright it is. This is just all out. This is not zoomed in. There's high, medium, and there's low. There's your strobing. And hold on. And you're supposed to be able to SOS with it. Maybe I just ain't smart enough to figure that out yet. It is magnetic. The bottom. What else? Can't remember. Anyway, we'll take it outside, show y'all what it does. Be right back. Okay, we're gonna do this real quick. That's sideways. It holds pretty good, y'all. Okay, y'all. We're going to shine back behind the pond. And if you notice, it's a square light. And when you zoom that in, it gives you a square. Did y'all see that shooting star? But anyway, I'd say it does shoot about at least 600 feet because that tree is way past my pond that I'm shining. Maybe y'all can make that tree out. I don't know. I can't really see what y'all are seeing. But it is a bright little light. And of course, there's the pond. See if we can find Domino. There's a blue boy. But see how that lights up in a square? I think it's kind of weird and neat at the same time. We're going to shine the light on blue here. My phone just ain't high enough. Maybe y'all can see that. We're going to start moving this in. Anyway, there it goes. And then it goes down to fine to that little box. Y'all, this is a bright light. You can see that tree lit up over yonder. Here's the blue boy. We'll pan with it one more time. You can see that trailer down there. There's that tree. And the bottom, well, let's see if we can get the goats to look at us. Nah, the goats are asleep. But anyway, it's shining down to my shed pretty good. But anyway, y'all, that's the testing of this little light. The bottom of this little light is magnetic. And when the light is charged, I don't know if you can see there. That's what color the button turns when the light's charged. But anyway, y'all, it's a decent little light. It's a good weight. It has a magnetic bottom to where if you're working on a vehicle or something, you know, you can focus that light. So I'm going to have one in my vehicle. Hubby's going to have one in his vehicle. And I'm seriously considering ordering 2 more. The link below is my Amazon affiliate link if you choose to use it. So, and these are solar lights that I have put up. So, anyway, if you choose to use the link, I may get a commission from it. Just want y'all to know that. Remember, y'all, the world's a better place because y'all are in it. Don't ever, ever, ever forget it. And I love you, each and every one. Y'all take care. Bye.